Hello! Welcome to CourSeller. Welcome to the e-learning revolution. In this video, I will show you how you can effortlessly create and sell amazing video courses that people love watching and buying in any niche in seconds, using our smart AI video assistant Amber, who writes the scripts, does the voiceovers, the animations, creates the video course and publishes it for sale in DFY membership schools for you. CourSeller AI works in just 3 easy steps. Step number 1. Speak. Pick a niche or enter a keyword and our smart AI assistant Amber immediately gets to work. She will guide you through what to tell her so she can create the course. Amber uses futuristic AML, artificial machine learning technology to create. She can also recommend the hottest trending content guaranteed to get more buyers. Step number 2. Create. Choose which type of course you want to create, ebook or video course. For the video course, you have just a video course, or you can select from one of several CourSeller human-like AI presenters to appear in your course. And yes, CourSeller will create any of them with ease, with just a click. Step number 3. Review and sell. CourSeller built-in AI assistant Amber alone will create the course instantly. For video avatar, Amber will literally take care of everything, including scripting, voiceovers, generating the AI human presenters, and rendering. You can make any changes you want to the slides that CourSeller auto creates. Rendering is the fastest in the industry, thanks to our AML-based technology. And voila! Your video course is ready to be downloaded, shared, sold, or uploaded to your favorite network. For ebook, she will take care of content creation, which you can then edit in our editor and save directly on your computer. All these from just a keyword. And that's about it. Really simple, professional, and outstanding. But this is more than just a super advanced video or ebook course creator web application. We have also provided the way to place your courses in a brand new Udemy-like membership website. That's right, we're including a done-for-you e-learning membership site like Udemy, where you can start selling your courses without competition. You can even have multiple sites for various courses. Let me give you a quick walkthrough so you can fall in love with this brilliant application, just like I did. CourSeller is an advanced yet extremely simple to use application. By logging in, you will access the dashboard, where you are able to watch the welcome video and have direct access to the tutorials, the support team, your bonuses, and the FAQ. Clicking here, you will access Amber, our super smart AI assistant. She will guide you through what to tell her so she can create the course. Amber uses futuristic AML, artificial machine learning technology to create. She can also recommend the hottest trending content guaranteed to get more buyers. Clicking on the AI Courses button will send you to the AI courses you have created so far. You can create a new course from here, as well as edit, download, delete, and duplicate them. The Basic Courses button will let you create ebook or video courses from scratch. Here you can add your chapter or video name, your script. You can also select the language for your voice, thereby enabling you to open a whole new floodgate of customers and sales from different parts of the world. You can sell your courses to the 4.5 billion Asian market, Europe, and any other part of the world. Pick your language and generate the voiceover with the power of AI.
Hello world.
Yes, this means you don't have to record the voice yourself, which can be really complicated and expensive. But more than just providing you the voiceover, with CourSeller, you can also add human-like avatars. The CourSeller AI human presenters revolutionize online course delivery by introducing an advanced AI-driven feature that creates realistic, customizable human-like avatars. These avatars serve as virtual instructors, so you don't need to show your face on camera, also bringing a dynamic and human element to your courses. With this, you can significantly boost learner engagement, ensuring consistent and high-quality course delivery, and offering extensive customization and language versatility, all while providing a cost-effective and globally accessible teaching solution. With CourSeller, you can also add images, videos, background music, add color or image to the background, add text of course, and upload other images and videos from your computer. You can also do the same for additional videos or chapters of your course. And once you are done, you simply hit the render button. And you are done! Download or import the CourSeller into your CourSeller membership websites, or you can upload them to Udemy, social media, or any other platform of your choice. This is just terrific, fellows. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Because besides creating video or ebook courses the fastest and easiest way ever, if you go to the My Schools area, you will be able to create a done-for-you e-learning membership site like Udemy, where you can start selling your courses without competition. Each school site comes with everything you need to easily customize a professional, high-converting, and ready-to-sell platform, so you can sell all of your courses quickly. And you even get paid straight to your bank account. We don't get to keep any money whatsoever. You can even set up multiple schools for different niches. Also, we don't get to keep any leads, because we provide you the way to connect your own lead management platform, of course, or create your own list from here, so you can access it whenever you want. But that's not all. If you want to take your course empire to the next level, which we know you will definitely need some help. That's why we have provided you with the team area, where you are able to organize teams, as well as create team member accounts, so they can help you create courses and set up your schools and establish your course empire easily and quickly. But if you want to take your course empire to the fullest potential, you can take advantage of the CourSeller upgrades, where you will be able to resell CourSeller accounts to other individuals or agencies and keep 100% of the profit for yourself. And if you want to rebrand CourSeller with your own branding and establish yourself as an expert in the course creation and web development industry at the same time, we have also provided you the way to do so, quickly and easily, without having to code absolutely anything. There is a lot of awesome stuff inside CourSeller, but I can't show it all in just this short demo video. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So, if you're looking to enter the $325 billion e-learning business by using an app that effortlessly creates and sells amazing video courses that people love watching and buying in any niche in seconds, using a smart AI video assistant who writes the scripts, the voiceovers, the animations, creates the video course and publishes it for sale, then try CourSeller today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.